Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, we have an unboxing and a review for a website called Tivisiy. They reached out to me to try out some of their products and to do an unboxing, but all thoughts and opinions will be my own. So I went ahead and selected a few of their products for review. I'm really excited to do this unboxing because one of the things that drew my attention was that they are an eco-friendly company and their wood crafts are sculpted from recycled wood. So I love the fact that they are conscious of the earth, and if you are well aware of my channel, I like to do junk journals and I also like to do anything that has to do with recycling. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So right off the bat, I noticed that they packaged this so beautifully to avoid any damage. So let's go ahead and unbox this cutie. And I will probably try to do this off camera so you guys don't have to listen to all of the noise, but this is one of the little things that says give an animal a home, which I thought is so cute. This is perfect for animal lovers. So let's go ahead and do this off camera. I'll be right back. All right, so we have two boxes here. Let's go ahead and start off with this one. I was unaware that I had it the wrong way, but if we flip it around this way, I love the fact that it says hi, and I will most definitely be recycling this box, and it says hi, how are you? I think that is so cute. I love the window, but I did want to mention some details as far as shipping. So in terms of shipping, my products shipped out on February the 22nd, and I received them on March the 9th. So if you were considering into buying one of these cuties for a gift, I would definitely suggest ordering ahead of time so that it will come in time for whatever occasion it is that you're trying to get it for. I will be putting down a discount code down below for you guys in the description as well with the product links. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. They had a wide selection of items that you could choose from on their site, which I adore. They make great gifts for family, friends, and animal lovers, and or some anniversaries. They had 3D wooden carvings, some gemstone jewelries, crystal lights, which I thought were so pretty, and some cute hand-carved wooden products and metal art for your yard. So be sure and check them out. So the first one that I have here, I already know what this is, but let's have a look at their beautiful packaging here. I love this tissue paper stuffing here, and it keeps everything intact and beautifully spaced out. And look at this beautiful first item that I picked out. This is a kalimba and it has 8 keys, and I picked this up for my oldest son. But it has this little attachment here, a little lanyard where you can hang it around your neck and travel with it. And look at these cute little beads. I think he's gonna be in love with it, and so it can go through there. And look how tiny and cute this is. I think he will love this. Let's go ahead and check out the one that I picked out for myself. And it is so cute. It does not come with like the tuner or anything like that, but I think this is perfect for a starter. All right, next up we have this little cutie here, and this is the one that I picked out for myself. And it also comes with this cute little lanyard and beads once again, but I picked it out in the heart. This is so cute and it's so fun size. If you know about me, I love all things mini, and oh, there's the little hole there so that I can attach the little string. And let's have a listen. I have a bigger one, and it has a lot more keys than this one, so I need to do a little bit of learning on it, but I'm excited to give it a try. Guys, Future BB here. We went ahead and tuned these cuties. I did have the tuner for it from the larger kalimba that I already own, so I went ahead and I tuned up my son's and mine as well. So we're gonna play a little snippet here for you guys and see what you guys think of the sound.
So I have to like make sure it's in the camera.
Yeah, go for it. Nice. I don't know how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star all the way, but here's what I got so far, and hopefully I don't mess up. And that's all I'm gonna play because that's all I know.
Wait.
So let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Oh, but before I forget, these were on their site for $14.99. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. So the next one that I picked out was this beautiful ring, and it comes in this wonderful box. Let's go ahead and have us a look. So this one on their site is called Remember the Promise. It is a 1-carat moissanite diamond ring. And the only thing that I would have to say about this is that it is one size only. And I unfortunately did not see any different sizes, so I hope this fits, but look how pretty it is. It is so gorgeous. It is lead free, nickel free, and it is safe for sensitive skin, which is me all the way. I am very sensitive. And the accent stone is a cubit zirconia. I hope I said that right, but it is so super cute and pretty. I am in love. And this was on their site for $29.99. This would make a great gift for anniversaries or a birthday and or Mother's Day. How super pretty. I feel so fancy. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our next item. All right, so I went ahead and I brought y'all in a little bit closer, but this cutie, oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. All right, so here's the little card that it comes with when you open it, and I love this little safari looking type card. And on the back it says who we are, and I'll go ahead and let y'all pause that so y'all can have y'all a read. And here are their socials at the bottom and a way to go ahead and contact them. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side, and let's look at this beautiful hummingbird. Once again, you have the beautiful tissue paper here surrounding it, and you can see all the layers of wood on this magnificent piece. So this one is the 3D wooden carving. It is so stunning and gorgeous. You can see all the detail within all these layers. Is that not stunning? So this is the hummingbird wooden carving light, and this was for $24.99. The style that I chose was the LED light version, but there are some that you can select without a light. So I know most kids would probably be really drawn to the light that it features. So if you want one without the light, that would be ideal for people like that. And or the one that I got was one single color light. And there's also some with sound activation LED version, and that one has 8 different lights. So definitely quite a bit of options. And if you are not into hummingbirds and you are into other animals, they certainly have a lot of variety for you to choose from. So let's go ahead and plug this cutie in and have us a look. All right, you guys, here is another look at our wonderful items from Tivisiy. I am super excited to hand these out to my family and see their expression on their faces once they unbox these cuties. Tivisiy, I had a wonderful time unboxing them. They are absolutely stunning, and I think they make for fun gifts. Once again, there are several options to choose from on their site, and if you would like to get one of these little items as well and be matching with me, I will be linking their site down below along with the product links and a 15% off coupon code. And that wraps it up for me, you guys. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care, and thank you for taking time and joining me for this wonderful unboxing. Bye.